Hey guys, Chance Trades here. Members were asking about this RPD trade that we took. Took it yesterday at 317 because we were testing out a. Wait, no, not 317. Took it here at August 18th because we saw a sweep in our option sweep bot, which looks something like this. So it came in at 151 on August 18th. RPD call expiring in February with a strike of 80. So if I show you the chart, it looks something like that. And August 18th at 151, which is around right here. So we entered in the trade around here because we saw the sweep. When you see sweeps like that, you have to hurry up and look at the pattern that we're trading on. You would want to look at the 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 hour, and daily just to get a quick glimpse of what you're about to get into. We saw quickly that it was on a 15-minute uptrend over here, bouncing off these levels. So we got in, and we got in around right here, I think. And our stop loss would have probably been underneath a close underneath the trend line. So we see it go, and I don't think the option actually ever saw red, but we let it run for until I think, was it yesterday or was it today? We closed it yesterday at 317. So yesterday was the 20th at 317, which is around right here, which was at the top. The reason we closed that out was because on the daily chart you see that we have a possible supply zone over here. We're near all-time highs and we've gotten wicked out multiple times. If I draw the line, it will look something like this, just a rough pin on the graph, yeah, around there, and we touch exactly that level over here. That's why we got out. We got out for a 35% gain with over 6 months to go on the leap, but you have to secure gains like that, especially if you're trying to build up your account. So we get out, and look what it did the next day. It came right back down and closed at 62.45. The daily chart looks something like this. So we got out near the top because of that supply zone, which is hashtag resistance, and it drops from that level and comes right back down. Still looks bullish. I see it somewhat going along the lines of this. Let's go to the hourly. Actually, no. Let's go to 10 days, 5 minute. I like when you trade stocks like these, you have to be able to recognize the pattern before it actually even happens, because that's how you gain an edge against like everyone else. Here, you could possibly see a head and shoulder formation that might form. So you have one right here, inverted head and shoulders. It could possibly come back down to this level and then go back up. Possibly hit that level again, come back down to this level, then make its way and break above. It's obviously going to take time, and that's why I think the leap, which is most likely an institutional trade, actually let me see the size, but you would be able to see, oh, not that big of a size, but $160,000. So a trade like that, yeah, it's going to be given time, and most likely they're looking for a pop above that, which if they break all-time highs, you could possibly see a Fibonacci retracement of probably 1.61. So I'll plot that in. It's just a rough chart so that people can see, which would bring us towards around 83.06, which is above the strike price. So maybe that's the target they're looking for, maybe not, but you get the idea, and we will probably enter this trade again in the future. Retrace over here maybe. I don't think so. I don't think it's likely, but that inverted head and shoulder formation definitely looks like it's possible. All right, have a good night. That will be all for today. And you see, trading isn't that hard. You just have to be disciplined.